Okay, Simba. We're going in a car. Are you class? Do you like going into a car, Simba? I'm taking that as a no because I've seen your experiences. Well, today might be a difference because I'm recording you, so let's see how you're reacting to being in a car. That was a turn. Oh. Are you ready? Seriously, the close up is... Okay, we're gonna stop. You always come to me, and when we go for the parks, going to a park, and we're going in a car, and let's see how you go. You need to stay 5 hours in this car soon. So, how are you experiencing it? And sorry for the wobbling. I'm not a very good cameraman, so this might not look very pleasant. Ow! What's wrong? Oh, you're back to your old self. Don't be scared. Are you okay? 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 Are you sure? Well, this will take a very long time. Okay, Simba. How are you feeling? Okay, lick me if you're feeling bad. He licked me. So, as you can see, or as you can't see, I have dog slobber on my hand. So, Simba's not doing well. But after a while, he'll be better. See? He's just so scared that it's just like he's still as a statue, I think. See? Oh, no. Okay, statue move. Statue move. Oh no, we're going. See? Are you tired? You can't be because you've been sleeping all day. And yesterday. And the day before yesterday. And the day after the day after yesterday. Yeah. Okay, should we end this? Should we end this? Oh, no, we're not gonna end this, right? Oh, you're not gonna end this? You like being on camera? What did you like to say? Yeah, you like to stick your tongue out, but are you saying anything? Aren't you gonna bark? Do you even have a voice? Do you have a voice? Do you have a voice, Simba? You don't? Okay. Gosh. Okay. Simba. Did you say something? You're crying. Hey, you're not gonna jump to the front seat. You're not gonna jump to the front seat, aren't you? I'm gonna hold one of your paws to do a handshake. Handshake, handshake, yes sir. Handshake, handshake, yes sir. Oh gosh. Well, say bye, Simba. Like.